Hi all, I'm Anupriya. Welcome to Vidyarthi. In this session, I'm going to introduce you with a very smart slangs that we use only for writing. Yeah, you have heard right. Sometimes we speak it out also, but this is very important that we use it especially for the writing manners. Where? On the internet, because across the internet, it is very popular to write the things in short. We are into the speed of typing and we don't want to write fully the whole word. So we narrate it in a short term which is considered as a slang, which is not a formal language, which cannot use as a literature of the English. It is just an informal way expressing your thoughts. So not speaking much, let's get started and learn all this. Right now, here it is, TGIF. We use it on the WhatsApp. We sometimes write it on the Facebook or as a status. Yeah, why? Because you are very happy when it is Friday, because next day is going to be a grand weekend. Saturday, then Sunday and Monday is going to be full of blue things. So thank God it's Friday. To reveal these things, how do you write? TGIF. Next is NOYB. None of your business. When you write this, I explain it. And please mention here, it is not important to write the whole narration after this slang. Once you are replying, suppose you have been asked something irrelevant which is not related to you and you are not in mood of replying that question which has been asked to you. So you are writing the slang, none of your business means NOYB, and that's all. So with this slang, it is not important and not required to give the whole narration. The only slang is sufficient to explain the whole thing. BTW means by the way. When you begin a sentence, by the way, what plan do you have for today? So by the way, what do you have in your kitty for today? So when you begin the sentence and you just want to add some notions, so you don't write the whole sentence, you just say BTW. To be honest, when you are very much pure and honest about your opinion, this slang is also used to begin a sentence. So you write TB at to be honest. ASA, ask me anything. Someone has messaged you, hey, I need to ask you something. So you are in a good mood and you have just written the slang. Just throw back the slang. ASA, it means that ask me anything. I am ready to reply you. Very normal kind of slang. Where are you? You can need not to write the whole thing. W are you? It means that you are picking up the first letter of the words. Where are you? Be right back. Hey, I'm going for the movie. You have got a message on your WhatsApp or your message box somewhere on the internet. So you are replying that question or information. I'm sorry. Be right back. BRB, and that's all. F2F, very common, very popular. Face to face, I would like to talk. F2F, yani I would like to talk to you face to face. FOMO, this is very popular. I have heard it recently many times and I was like, what is this? This is something, a different kind of language, Japanese or something, but I find it out. Fear of missing out. It's a very cute kind of slang that you have a fear that you will be missed, you will not be missed, something like that. So you just write FOMO, F-O. Hey, I have FOMO. I mean, I have a fear that I will not be missed. So just to reveal that emotion, you need to only write F-O-M-O. That's all. And what's OOTD? All the girls out there now just spreading it on the internet like a fire that what's the outfit of the day? Yeah. So you only need to ask OOTD and the question mark. Alright, when you have a little humor in your mind and you're just throwing some kind of statement which was not full of relevancy or something related to the person and he took it very seriously. But you immediately send this note, JK, just kidding. Don't take it seriously. Next is, I don't care. Someone throws a very, bad kind of statement towards you. You don't like this. So you're just writing, I don't care. What? Sorry, I'm really sorry. I don't care is IDC. Then you say, I don't care. I don't know is IDK. I just kept it at this place. I'm sorry for that. IDK, which is I don't know. You have been asked something and you have no clue about that question. So just to show that emotion, you're saying IDK. You're writing this, and I don't care. It means that you don't care. I mean, you're just careless about this negative statement which has been put on you. Too much information you have asked a question to someone and she or he is putting a lot of reply, but you don't get exactly what that person is trying to tell you. So you are writing too much information. I mean, don't put a lot of stuff in my head. I am interested in listening only what I want to listen. So too much information. Talk to you later. So that's how we write TTYL, the first letter of the whole word in this sentence. So we talk to you later. I mean that when you are in the, just in a mood of chatting with someone and suddenly your mom has entered in the room or someone is calling you out, you're getting busy in some task, so you just end the conversation. And I am going to end the session with this slang that talk to you later. So these all slangs are used on the internet to write out, to explain or express what you have in your mind, just to make the conversation, written conversation, short, and it is smart also. So I hope that you must have got it and you're going to use it. That's all for now. I'm going to sign off. Bye-bye.